The greedy dog. One day, a dog was walking happily towards a river. On the way, he found a juicy bone. He took the bone and started crossing the river. He looked into the water and saw a dog with bone. He thought it was another dog. The greedy dog barked at it to get that bone. As he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the water. He had to go without bone.